Today we're talking about secrets for a great project management resume. Well, unfortunately today, great project managers are overlooked for job opportunities because of their resume. So today I want to highlight a few secrets that can help you land that opportunity. Well, first of all, when a job opening is posted, they typically include the description of the role and responsibilities and any requirements around the experience needed, the training, the skills, and the certifications. So when you present your resume, and I also submit on your LinkedIn profile, you need to map what they're asking for to what you are presenting on your resume. So for the job role and responsibilities, you want to show how, when, where you have done this so that you can let them know that you qualify. You also want to identify the experience, training, skills, and any certifications very prominently so they can see those. So here are some secrets. Number one, make it easy for the resume reviewer. So if they're looking for A, B, and C, then show them A, B, and C. Don't include X, Y, and Z or more than they're asking. Make it easy for them to find. Also highlight their needs. So make it clear that your experience in training also outlines with their needs. Demonstrate how you help your customers. So that in essence is identifying your brand. If you're great with numbers or metrics, then identify that. If you're great with people and fostering teamwork, then identify that. Also, keep your resume and your LinkedIn profile up to date because you don't know when that job opening is going to come up, so you want to be ready. And all the time, recruiters and people working at companies and recruiting firms are constantly seeking candidates on LinkedIn. So you want to have that updated so you can come up in searches. Also, use keywords and their language. If they're looking for a specific role as project manager, and maybe you worked for a company or work for a company that doesn't call a project manager, maybe they call it something else, then you want to be sure that you use their language. Also, be short, clear, and concise. Just get to the point. Added information really doesn't help. Then also quantify your impact. Let them know how maybe you've increased sales or decreased expenses for a company or on a project. Also identify the size of the project. Let them know if you're used to managing smaller projects or larger projects. So that's typically identified by the size of the budget. Maybe do you manage $50,000 projects or $500,000 projects or $5 million projects? Let them know the size and scale. Also include any kind of awards or unique interests that you have. So for awards in your industry, maybe if you've been identified as the best project manager, whether it's in your company or maybe by a PMI chapter or even PMI, the Project Management Institute, you want to be sure to include those. Also associate with recognizable corporations, big corporations, so people can have an understanding of who you've worked with or maybe even what kind of industries or any big brands. That just adds more credibility and visibility to your resume and your LinkedIn profile. So if you need any tips or resources to build your resume, then visit our website at projectmanager.com.